Fam, what's poppin'? Welcome to all my newcomers if you are new to the channel. Let's talk about this look, okay? So I call this olive punk. It's a bit of a punk, more grunge type of makeup look with all the black. It's a smoky eye mixed with some black lipstick. It features some loose glitter and some gold eyeliner. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's super fast, super quick and easy, and I hope you ladies really like this look. Let's go ahead and get started.
Starting out, our brows and our lids have already been primed, so we're just going to jump into it. Starting out, we're using the Morphe Bronzed Bay palette, and we're starting with the Now Boarding look. Now this will act as our transitional base, so we're just going to apply this to the top part of our lid in a windshield wiping motion. That way everything can blend seamlessly. So the next color in our eyeshadow build is Beach Please, and we're layering these looks, so this color is going to go just underneath where we had Now Boarding. Lastly, we're going into Volcano for one of our last colors for our eyeshadow build from this palette, and this will be the darkest color that we're using from this palette, so this will go towards more of the bottom. So because I wasn't really satisfied with how the build was looking, it's a little bit too dark for me, I went back in with Now Boarding and started from the top again to try to make that gradient a little bit more smoother. Here we're switching palettes. We're going to our Urban Luxe palette, and we're going for that matte black. And this matte black will basically act as the bottom half of our eyeshadow build. So you're going to go ahead and cut that crease, and then you're going to just fill out the rest of your lid using that black. So now that we have the overall shape for our crease, we're going to go in with that olive green from that Urban Luxe palette. And we're just going to try to blend that green into the black. The green will be mostly at the bottom, like that last line. But try to blend it in with that black. So this green was not doing what I wanted it to do, so I went in with my white concealer by Conceal, and I just started to cut my crease. Now originally I wasn't going to do this, but the green just wasn't as bright as I wanted it to be, so I'm taking my Morphe brush and I'm just going ahead to find another shape where I can put that green so it shines a little bit better. For this look, the concealer was a little bit too wet, so I switched to my Jumbo White Concealer Pencil. And I'm basically doing the same thing. I'm just finding that shape, finding that crease, just to brighten up the space for where I'll add the green later on. So here we're switching palettes. We're going to our Shimmer palette by BH Cosmetics, and we're going for that forest green. And we're going to apply this green basically everywhere we put that white concealer, because adding that white will just make this green pop a lot more. Here we're switching to another palette. We're going for our SuperNova palette, and we're going for that forest green in the top right corner, and we're applying this over top where we had that previous green because it was a little bit too bright. We want to bring it down just a little bit, so we're going in with that metallic green. So now we're going in with that black called Luna, and we're just going to apply this to the outside corners because we lost a lot of that black already. So we're just going ahead to reapply it just so it looks a little bit more intense. Since this look does have glitter, we're going to go ahead with our glitter base booster. This is a glitter adhesive that we can add to our lips, we can add to our eyes, basically anywhere you want to add glitter. For this purpose, we're going over with the top of our lids, and we're going in with a mixed color of a bright green and a black. So we're going to apply that green first, and that green will basically go over wherever we had our previous green shadows. And then we're going to go in with that black glitter to try to blend everything. So it's going to go from glitter green to glitter black to matte black. So unfortunately, as we added that black glitter, it really doesn't show up on camera, of course, because it's black. So just trust me when I say it looked really good. So now we're going to move on to our liner. This is our basic black liquid liner, and we're just going to do our liner the same way that we normally would do it. Okay, to add a little bit of color to this look, we're going to go in with our AOA Studio Starlet eyeliner, and this color is Golden Girl, and we're just going to follow the previous line we made with our black liner. Now we're prepping for our lashes. We're going in with our Intenseif-Eye mascara, and we're going to prep our lashes the same we normally do. We go up a few times, then we go down a few times to get a good base for the lashes. The lashes that I'll be using in this video are the Vinci number 43s. And these lashes are actually pretty nice. I like them. They're super lightweight and they just look gorgeous. So moving on to our face process, we're going in with our liquid foundation. The color is Warm Caramel, and this is by LA Girl. After we've applied our liquid foundation, we're going in with our powder foundation, the second half of the duo, and this color is also Warm Caramel. So now we're going in with our Jordana basic black lipstick. I know it's ugly, but you know, I've had it for like years. So now we're going to go in with a mattifying powder. This is actually by Wet n Wild because the black lipstick by itself is a little bit too shiny. So I go back and forth between the lipstick and the matting powder and the lipstick again, just so I get the right consistency. Now that we have everything done, this is the final look. Go ahead and let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. Go ahead and support the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.